Hey, this is Chris Fisher with Benefits Ally. I'm excited to be joined by Rachel with ArmadaCare to answer 3 questions, share 3 slides, and do it all in under 3 minutes. First question, what is ArmadaCare?
ArmadaCare is a supplemental medical reimbursement plan that can be carved out by class. So concept is simple. Our plan sits on top of a group's primary medical plan and gives key employees the ability to submit claims for virtually any 213D or HSA eligible expense through direct deposit. So what we're doing is essentially providing employers a way to enhance their primary medical plans for their most important assets. So their leadership, key people, top performers, and really getting these folks back to 100% coverage they remember from the pre-ACA days.
Perfect. Second question, how is ArmadaCare different?
So 2 things. You have very few options to class out benefits for executives and provide anything truly meaningful. And employers are always looking for unique recruiting and retention strategies, especially for their key leaders, but the options just really aren't there, either because of non-discrimination rules or the coverage that it provides just doesn't make an impact at that executive level. And number 2 would be compliance. So this is super important. If you're going to class out executives or highly compensated employees, you've got to be sure that you're doing it in compliance with the Internal Revenue Code and the Affordable Care Act. We provide both, but there's some competitors out there that don't meet both of those requirements. So do your homework.
Perfect. Last question. Who's a good fit for ArmadaCare?
So any employer that has a primary group health plan and a minimum of 3 employees they'd like to cover, ArmadaCare can provide that plan. And so that part's easy. As much as I'd like to say this plan is for every employer out there with 3 employees, the reality is there's going to be certain groups that fit the bill more than others. So some things to look out for could be as easy as filing or solving a claim issue. The executive team's constantly complaining about things not being covered. We can really tackle that headache for you. Another one is any group that wants to address certain compliance concerns around classing out executives. And another one that I'll really call out is groups in a competitive hiring environment or a high turnover industry. Again, always looking for those unique recruiting and retention tools. And comp only goes so far, then you need a differentiator, which ArmadaCare can help with.
Perfect. Thanks for joining us, Rachel. And for more information on ArmadaCare, you can click the button in the upper right-hand corner of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.